Out of 100 people getting infected or exposed to coronavirus, 75% will not have anything. They will remain asymptomatic. This is because their immune system is able to fight the virus and defend the body against its harmful effects. Food is our best way to build our immunity and protect our body against viral infection, bacterial infection, and all other pathogens. Today I am going to talk about 8 different kinds of food that we can consume which will boost up our immunity. As a doctor going to work every day, coming in contact with multiple patients, staff, lot of people, I am trying to incorporate them in my diet on a regular basis. Fortunately, for the last 4 months I have been healthy and I have been able to continue to serve the patient. So without further ado, without further ado, let's see all the food that we can take to help us. First and foremost, the most important food at this time is vitamin C. Linus Pauling, 2 times Nobel laureate, has said that vitamin C can help us protect against cold, cough, flu and other infections. Try to consume a lot of fruits and vegetables during this time. Cooking destroys the vitamin C. Anything that is raw is rich in vitamin C. Citrus fruits like lemon, oranges, grapefruit are rich in vitamin C. At this time it may be okay to take vitamin C supplements that will help your body to cope against the virus. Second is probiotics. Our body harbors billions of bacteria, virus, fungi which exist in symbiotic relationship with us. Like we see all these microorganisms and pathogens outside, more number of microorganisms live inside our body. These so-called good bacteria and good microorganisms help our body in various processes. If we can boost the number of the good bacteria in our body, will help us fight against the bad bacteria and virus which may attack our body. Good sources of probiotic are yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, pickles. You can also take over-the-counter probiotics to replenish your gut bacteria, especially if you have recently taken a course of antibiotics. Also, another way to boost our good bacteria in the body is by consuming food rich in fiber. Fruits and vegetables are good source of fiber that will help keep our gut bacteria healthy. Number 3, soups and stocks. During this time, try to consume vegetable soup, chicken soup, broth, stock. Broth is a valuable food at this time. The very process of cooking a bone over a period of time helps to get the collagen and hyaluronic acid from the bones, which help fight against infection. For those who are vegetarian, vegetable soup made with turmeric, ginger, garlic, onion and fresh herbs is a good alternative. Fourth is cod liver oil. Cod liver oil has been used for the last 1000 years in Europe and many other countries. Cod liver oil is rich in vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K. Regular consumption of cod liver oil can help boost up your immunity and fight against numerous infections. Fifth point is saturated fat. During this time, increase your consumption of saturated fat. Saturated fat and fat soluble vitamins help your body fight against infection. Make sure that you eat good quality fat, which are fat from coconut, avocados, palm oil, fat from organic grass-fed meat, egg and organic dairy. 6 is honey and bee pollen. Honey is rich in antioxidants and nutrients which helps in boosting immunity. Local raw honey is very crucial as it can boost immunity and fight against bacteria and viruses in the local environment. Try to have 1 teaspoonful of honey every day, either in tea or in warm water. Honey will boost your immunity, and honey has been used for last many thousand years and a part of many natural alternative medicines to fight infection. 7th is onion and garlic. Onion and garlic belong to the family Allium. Many traditional medicines use onion and garlic for their ability to kill germs. Onion and garlic boost the immunity in our body by generating heat, which can be used to kill the pathogens. Lastly, vegetables. Vegetables and plant-based products are an excellent source of antioxidants. Whenever germs attack our body, the germs create free radicals in the body. Vegetables, they contain phytochemicals which helps the body fight against the free radicals. Vegetables are rich in antioxidants which boost our immunity and protect the body to fight against cancer and other infections. Try to have as many vegetables as you can in your diet. Try to choose vegetables from different colors. Green vegetables like broccoli, kale, spinach are excellent source. Vegetables red in color like beet, carrot. Make sure not to overcook the vegetable. If you cook it more, then the lot of vitamins and nutrients get destroyed in the cooking process. In summary, following a healthy lifestyle has become very crucial in this coronavirus epidemic. Try to have a healthy, balanced diet. Try to have a diet rich in proteins, fat and vegetables. Try to avoid or minimize the consumption of sugar, candies, cookies, gluten, wheat and other carbohydrate rich food. Stay positive, follow all the necessary precautions. Remember that there is no escape from the threat of the virus at this time, and if you have a healthy diet, your body will have a good immunity which will not only protect you against this coronavirus threat but also many other new threats which we may not know which may come in the future.